We've got a serious problem, we've got a serious issue. These guys, Kaiser Chiefs, Lawantulaba, they're playing tonight. If they win, they're going to go 9 out of 9. Do you understand? They've won 2 games. If they win this game tonight, they are going 9 out of 9. Clearly, that's championship material form. Buffett, this is a problem. This is a problem. Because you know what? If they win tonight and somehow we drop points again at home to Stellenbosch Ksasa, we are in big trouble. I repeat, if Kaiser Chiefs win today and we somehow drop points tomorrow, we are in serious trouble. Jesus Christ. This cannot